thing about being a singer also is that I was given the opportunity to produce most of my soundtrack. Isn't that wonderful? And I love the whole process of recording, from having it arranged, talking to the arrangers, putting backups myself, or sometimes if I'm tamad, I'll get the backups and tell them, okay, dito gawin nyo ah. And then until, you know, the mixing and all that, I get very, very involved, and I love the whole process. And like I said, the story of this song, I was doing SOP back then already, and I was with my good friend, who's my husband now, Augie Alcacid, and I asked him, kasi he wrote me one song before, which was, I have to say goodbye, cause it's time to end it. Nakanta niya sa isang artista. Napag-alaman ko. Hindi ko sasabihin kung sino, pero maganda siya. Sabi ko sa kanya, landi mo. Ewan ko sa'yo. So I asked him, sabi ko, can you make me another song? And then I had to tell him the story. And one day, siguro mga 2 days after, tinawagan ako, oh, I have a song for you na. And this was that song.
Kailangan kong matama ang pag-ibig mo sa bawat oras na hindi ka nakikita. Para bang kaibigan na nadarama o bakit lumisan ka? Paano na ang puso ko nag-iisa? Sa buhay ko, paano na ang puso